Ever wondered how to create a captivating logo that perfectly represents your brand? Let's dive right into Adobe Illustrator and start designing. First, create a new document. Set your dimensions. I'm doing a 1000 by 1000 pixel square. This is a common starting point for logos because it offers flexibility for use across different platforms. Select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and draw a circle on your artboard. You can hold down the Shift key while dragging to create a perfect circle. This will be the base shape for your logo. Now, let's add some color. Go to your Properties panel. Pick a fill color by clicking on the color swatch. Experiment with different colors to see what looks best. Don't be afraid to play around with shades and hues that reflect your brand's personality. Next up, select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on your artboard to add text. Type in your brand name. You can adjust the font size and font style from the Properties panel. Choose a font that complements your logo's shape and overall aesthetic. Experiment with different fonts, colors, and sizes to find the perfect match with your circle. Now, reposition the text relative to your circle. Use the Selection tool to move your text around and position it inside or outside the circle, or anywhere that looks good. To give the logo just a little extra zest, I'll quickly draw a star using the Shape tool. You can then position this shape strategically to complement your brand name. And there you have it, a quick logo combining both shapes and text. Remember, keep experimenting with different designs using these tools in the software. Remember to save your work.